Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today, 12th of June 2023. As always, I'm excited today to show us how our trades performed last week. We usually start with a review of what happened last week, and then we'll go ahead to tell you what we're expecting in the market this very week we are analyzing. All right, so let's look at EUR USD, which is gold. We usually like to start with gold. All right, so last week we told you that gold have hit this particular support zone, which is a demand zone. We were expecting gold to move up from here, and then from this particular zone around 2010, between 2000 to 2010 or maximum 2020, gold we move down once again, because on a longer term we are seeing gold bearish. We are seeing gold we most likely fire down on a longer term, but we need to take it step by step. All right, so when it hits this support zone, which is a demand zone, we're expecting gold to move up, and as you can see, it respected our zone. Gold respected our zone. So this is the zone. From this zone, that's over 400 pips. All right, so we actually made like around 200 pips, 250 pips. Yeah, the trade we sent to the pay group last week, we made 250 pips from gold. All right, so we told you that we're expecting price to bounce from here and then move up. All right, so it did exactly as analyzed. Price did exactly as analyzed, and as you can see, this is where price is right now. Okay, so there's no momentum at the moment on the direction of gold right now, so we don't know if it will retest here first before price will move to our zone where we want to sell from. We really want to sell gold, but we're expecting gold to hit, at least to retest 2000, or even try to break 2000. Then from that particular place we can sell gold. So this is what we're expecting. So you can also see H4. We analyze also using H4 time frame. Look at the divergence. I told you that anytime you see market approaching either a support zone or a trend line, and then this MACD, moving average divergence convergence, confirm your direction, then you need to enter the trade. Right, so there was a confirmation here when we saw this divergence. Look at this, look at it here. From here to here, price was making lower highs, lower low, while MACD was making higher highs, higher lows. So we told you that price most likely will move up, and it did move up. Look at it on H4. All right, so back to D1, because we like to use D1, the daily time frame, to analyze. Of course, we can also confirm it from H4 or lower time frame to get an entry point. So these are analysis for gold. If you're just joining us for the first time, please click the like button and then ensure you share this video. Of course, you need to join our free group on Telegram, where we drop our analysis also. Dubiss Forex Academy. Let me show you on Telegram, Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, this is our free group, Dubiss Forex Academy. Dubiss is the one that have double S, Dubiss. Look at what we made last week. We made 600 pips last week. Look at the gold I told you. We made 250 pips on gold last week. All right, so you can join our Telegram channel. All right, we'll try this week to send some free trades to this particular channel, our free channel. So join us so that you can get updates. Also, you can also join our pay group. If you want to get entry points and exit point, then you need to chat me at Dubiss1 on Telegram so you can join our pay group. All right, so let's go to Euro CAD. Let's go to the next one, which is Euro CAD. Let's go to Euro CAD. All right, Euro CAD have completed the first TP. We told you when we started selling from excuse me, from this point, we told you that The first target is 38.2 Fibonacci retracement of this movement, from this movement to this movement, Fibonacci retracement. Like I said before, this month of June we are going to do a class. If it's not this week, next week definitely we'll do a class on Fibonacci retracement. So follow us, ensure you turn on notification button so that once we drop a video you will be the first to see it. So look at it here. It touched at 38.2, so that has been completed. So we're expecting a bounce, right? So this is our long time is still priced getting 61.8, but this week there could be a bounce. Euro could bounce, so there could be a bounce from here. This is what we're expecting this week, at least a bounce, maybe to test around this particular this thing here. Yeah, let's drag it. Let's make the chart clean. So that's okay. Let's first of all make this chart neat. Wait. Let's make this chart neat. Let's delete this caddy. Okay. So this is what we're expecting this week. So we can delete all these ones. It has finished playing its role. Let's go to what we are expecting. So, but we'll still leave this major one because we're expecting price to get to 61.8. We can extend this. Let's extend it. Right. Let's also extend this one. And finally, let's extend this. Okay. Price moves based on zone, all right, key levels. So you need to just mark out those key levels and those zones. So right now it has hit 38.2. Look at it, 1, 2, this is the third one. So it could try to move down a bit, even to get down to this point. From this point, we expect that price should bounce from here and then move up. All right, that is it for Euro CAD, right, for this week for Euro CAD. So let's watch and see how the market will behave. So for USD CHF, we told you when price hit here that most likely price will go down. Then if dollar continues to be strong, that it could try to break. So you can see that our first scenario, which is price hitting here and bouncing, is working. So all right, price could still move down to retest here once again. So this resistance zone is still very much in play. So it's still limiting USD CHF from breaking this point. So until for us to buy USD CHF, price should break here, this point, and retest it before we buy, right? Otherwise, we keep on where the price is right now is to sell. So CHF has been very strong for a long time, but we're expecting price USD CHF to actually break here. So we are still waiting, but then we cannot enter the trade for a buy. So if you're looking for opportunity to do anything on USD CHF, then you should rather think of opportunity to sell, since price is still below this place, or you wait until price break here before you take action. For AUD USD, you can see what's happening in AUD USD. You know, that's why I told you that that two scenario, that price could break back here, then retest, and then continue to touch here or respecting here. So where price was, we decided to stay out of AUD USD, but you can see that price did break here back and approaching here. So what we could see on AUD USD is price trying to test this place now, trying to get to this top here, and then from there price now falling back. This is what we could see. All right, for AUD USD, this is what we could see. So we could see price falling down once again to this place for this week. All right, for now, this is not my good pay bet. For those that love to trade AUD USD, you could think of selling from this point where price is right now, or price touching here. From there you can go short for AUD USD. For NZD USD, we were buying these movements and we are still on the trade, though it have hit our TP2. We are still expecting we're expecting price to move further up, right? So for NZD USD, and that was why we sent that buy. We know that price tried to break here, but this is fake out. Last week there was a lot of fake outs. So for a lot of people, as far as here has been broken, they'll be shorting NZD USD. But you can see what price is doing. Sometimes price decide to do its own thing. All right. So on that note, so this particular week, it could continue to move up to this point, and then from there it could fall. All right. So that is our analysis for this week. Price could continue to move up back to this point, and there from there it fall. All right. So for aggressive trader, you could still take entry. All right. We entered around this place, which is around the 50.0. When price hit 50.0 of it, Fibonacci retracement of this movement from here to here, we enter a buy from here, and it's still running on profits. Right. So but if you want to take entry, all right, but you need to calculate your risk, and then let's see if we can ride it to this point from there before we look for opportunity to sell. For Euro USD has been ranging since it broke here. So for me, it's not a good pair to trade. Where the price is right now. So you could just wait to really know where is the direction of this trade going. But on a long time, we're anticipating price to move down to get to these points, which is where we call D points. So you can see where price is ranging since. Price could actually go back to retest here, or even retest this top from there before going down. All right, so there's no good opportunity on the Euro USD. But for GBP USD, we see that price actually bounced from this analysis here, and for paid group we've already sent for them to sell GBP USD, and I can tell you that you can take that trade, all right, with 100 pips stop loss. GBP USD may try to touch these points, but definitely we are seeing a good opportunity to sell, to shorts. We are seeing, all right, a downward move for GBP USD, so you could join the trade, right? This is what price could just make a little big move, all right, up, and then from there price could fall, right? Let me touch this, this is exactly what we anticipating. All right, for GBP USD, all right. For USD JPY, all right, USD JPY, when it broke here, we're thinking that price should touch here from here, it fall, but you can see that price did fall, right? I told you don't buy at that point, rather you can sell. For those that sold, let's look at how many pips. The day I analyzed this, price was exactly at this point. This is where price was. I told you that it could go up and then fall. So you just move up to this point, and from there it fall. This is over 200 pips. So JPY has been weak. So this week I'm still expecting JPY to regain. So on that note, I won't be buying USD JPY, because even any move up is an opportunity to short. So look for opportunity to sell rather than buying USD JPY. So price could just retest this 142 area, then from there price will fall back, right? So that is it for USD JPY. For USD CAD, wow, this is amazing. You can see how our analysis is faring. USD CAD did exactly as analyzed. This is amazing. We started shorting USD CAD from this point, but last week we told you that price could just make a little high and fall to get to our target. These are targets. We are targeting price to touch this particular zone here. You can see it. Wow, it's not picking horizontal line. Yeah, so this is what we are targeting. So that place is TP, can also be an entry point for a buy, because price could bounce from here, from this point. So this week price could actually bounce from here. All right, this is a support area, so you have to book your profits. If you're on that sell already, we made over 250 pips from USD CAD. It's a Vita TP5. So what we're expecting this week is a bounce from here. But once we see that this support zone is broken, then we wait for a retest. When there's a retest, we short. But at the moment, this is what we're expecting, price to bounce from this point. So congratulations to those that took this trade. Wow, please go back to our previous videos if you have not watched the video on the USD CAD, and please, can you just like the video and share the video, all right, to let people know how our analysis is working, all right? So congratulations once again to those that joined the trade. Look at what we made from this point to this point is over 300 pips. But the one we sent on to our paid group, because we normally send up to TP5, 50 pips per TP, we made up to 250 pips, and then we're out of this trade. Okay, so let's go to Euro GBP. On Euro GBP also did exactly as analyzed. These are Euro GBP. All right, we have been selling Euro GBP from this particular zone, and let's see the total once again for those that are joining for the first time. Look at the total pips we made, 155 pips from Euro GBP, because this is where we ask people to exit, but it tried to move down more. All right, so this place is still within this zone. It has not been broken. For us to know that this place is broken is when we see if price continue to break down. Look at the zone once again for you to see it. Once price break here and retest, then we know that the next point price will be coming will be here, will be around this zone. Let's see, yeah, it will just be around this zone. This should be the next zone. If price broke here, then this will be the next zone. But at the moment we are buying Euro GBP, because I need to buy this week. I'm seeing a buy, so this has been played out already. So this week I'm seeing a buy for Euro GBP, so I'll be buying Euro GBP. If you want to join the trade, you can join the trade. So this is the essence of this analysis. We are giving it to you out early on a Monday morning, so that you can know what to do in the global financial market, to know if you will join the trade or not. So, but for us at Dubiss Forex Academy, we are buying Euro GBP, and I already sent the trade to paid group for them to buy Euro GBP. So let's buy Euro GBP and believe that price will move up, even up to this point. So let's watch and see how the market will behave. All right, this is analysis. Once again, it's not an entry point, but I'm telling you, you can join the trade. If you want to get entry points and exit point, then you need to chat me up at Dubiss1 on Telegram, or you need to join our paid group for you to get that. All right, so GBP CHF also did very well. We started buying GBP CHF from this zone, and it has not gotten to this zone. Because it has not gotten to this zone, which is where we put our horizontal line for TP. Let me extend this. So it needs to get to this zone for us to change our bias, maybe to go down to start to sell GBP CHF. At the moment, it's still a buy trade. But remember that where the price is still a resistance, and that is why we are out of the trade. All right, our own have already hit TP. So look at it, where price is now is still a key level. So right, so price is respecting there. It have touched it, come down. So once this place is broken, it's the next stop will be here. All right, so we have to wait till price get to around 1.156 or 663 area for an opportunity to short GBP CHF. All right, GBP JPY. All right, GBP JPY. All right, I can see I have some positions there. I'm expecting price to move down for GBP to retest this point. All right, GBP CHF has been strong. GBP JPY have been bullish. All right, but any moment price could flash down. Any moment price could go down at any moment, and that is why I'm shorting GBP JPY. All right, because for me price have make a strong bullish move, so there should be a retracement. Of course, I have my stop loss in case price continue to move up, then I will exit on loss. So you can join the trade. All right, GBP JPY. So Euro JPY, all right, Euro JPY has been ranging. This is daily time frame. From where we told you that price should move down, it did move down, but look at where price is currently now. So we're still expecting price to go more down. All right, so what could happen, what we are seeing right now that is happening, that what could happen is something like this, like a small pattern, and then from there price still move down for this week. So this is exactly, price could come back to retest this particular zone here with what is happening right now. If you see price making something like this, then you can enter with confidence. All right, but from where price is also, price could still go down. So I'm looking for opportunity to short Euro JPY other than selling or other than buying. So this is my analysis for Euro JPY. All right, so CHF JPY. All right, CHF JPY, same scenario with GBP JPY, because I'm shorting CHF JPY. All right, I have two positions there, and I still believe that price could go down. And look at my stop loss above this harmonics that I draw last time. So I'm expecting price to go down more for CHF JPY. The first position I entered from this point, I already closed that. All right, I still have my two positions remaining for CHF JPY, so you can join the trade. We're expecting price to get to 38.2 and 61.8. All right, so these are analysis for this week. Like I said, please join our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, and also you can follow us on all our social media handles on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. All is Dubiss Forex Academy. You can also join us on TikTok, on Twitter, and then LinkedIn. You can search us with Dubiss, Dubiss. You will see us on all the social media handles. Our website is www.dubissacademy.com. All right, once again, we appreciate you for joining us for this week analysis, for watching this video. Please like the video and share the video, and see you in the next video. Once again, trade with proper risk management, and then please ensure, let's just look at the fundamentals before I will call it a day. Please, let's look at the fundamentals. Let's look at the fundamentals, please. Let's look at the fundamentals. All right, Forex Factory. Let's look at Forex Factory. All right, so Forex Factory. All right, so this week, let's look at what we're expecting. All right, we have tomorrow. Today, no major event. Today is Monday, no major events. So tomorrow, 13th of June, Clement counts, and then USD CPI on tomorrow, also Tuesday. So market will be a little bit volatile tomorrow, so you have to trade with care. And then you can see the fundamentals we have. And then on Wednesday is FOMC. Wow, FOMC statements, fund rates. Wow. So there's going to be a lot of volatility. Please trade with care. So there will be some movement this week. Wow, this is amazing. You can see a lot of red folders. So please trade with care. right? Good luck guys. All right, cheers guys. So see you in the next video.